Getting organic free searches. One type of traffic that every single person wants is called the organic free search. This type of traffic is the most favored because of the fact that you can do it without having to pay for anything or any cost at all. There are a few simple steps that you can use to start getting your site ranked on the search engine fast through the organic free search traffic. The very first thing that you should do is to focus on finding words. Search engine optimization is all about finding the correct word. There are two ways of finding your words, and those are the random and product name search. The random search is when you're using keyword tools in finding a sweet spot in any market where you're just looking for words that has a really low competition. On the other hand, the product name search is used to see if you could rank and find a product you can promote. In this type of search, you can use the name of the product or the market of the product to find the sweet spot. One good way of implementing the product name search is by using resale rights products. The great advantage of this sort of product is the fact that it has a lot of sub-keywords that you can drive traffic to your site from. There are certain steps that you have to follow in order to use this certain product. First, you have to pick a product that has a lot of sub-keywords and would work really something well. For example, you picked a book about soup recipes. After making your choice, download the product and save it to your computer. Open the product and copy the list of soup recipe names and access the wordtracker.com by logging in. In the website, do the keyword universe search by typing in the keyword of your choice. Then add all the soup recipe names and do a competition search. After doing the search, copy the keywords with the most traffic but has only a small amount of competition. If you're done doing this, go back to the actual book or product that you're selling. Copy the list of sub-keywords and add them to the word tracker by clicking on Add All Keywords to the basket. Finally, choose the keywords with smaller competition. When you do the competition search, you may not only click check on Google. You can also do the competition search with Bing and other search engines that you desire by checking on the boxes of your choice, which you can find in the fourth step of the word tracker competition search. The second step that you should do is to analyze the competition. In doing this, all you need to do is to do a search of your keyword on Google without the quotes and see the number of results and look at the page rank or titles. It is important that you use the sweet spot word as the main word on your site. You can do this by building a blog or a standard site. One of the easiest programs to use is the front page. Make sure that you edit the AdSense when you use a ready-made template as mentioned in the brackets. Edit the rest of the needed information for your website, then it's all set to go. The third step is to make pages based on each word. To do this, edit the title tag, place the links that you need in order to lead people to other pages inclined in your website. In order to put images, click on Alt Tag and hit General, then edit the information needed. You should also set up the body copy and may also change the meta tags if need be. If you want it to be on its own domain, you can also interlink pages. The fourth step is to find like partners or places to get indexed fast. In order to do this, you have to first find your top-level keyword, go to Google and find what's ranking for this term. After doing so, you need to get people to link to your website, and you can do this by looking in your market. You may either check YouTube directories or use Rapid Submit for freebie words in order to get listed easily. Finally, you need to get linked up and do a test and track by going to your site. If you're on HostGator.com, you can do this by typing your website address and place /panel in the middle of it. Then click on Web/FTP stats to show how people are finding you and click on Webulizer. You can also see the last 12 months of traffic, wherein you can click on any of these months and see all the statistics like what pages they're coming from and what's taken up the most of your bandwidth.